utuhurumie, e Bwana utuhurumie. Kristo utuhurumie, Kristo utuhurumie, Kristo utuhurumie, Kristo utuhurumie, Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana utuhurumie, Kristo utuhurumie, Kristo utuhurumie. Can you imagine how God loves us? How God is always there for us? How God is faithful to his words? How faithful he has always been there for you and me? How faithful he has been since we were born and even before we were born. Dear brothers and sisters, looking and seeking for God is the best thing that you can ever do. It is the best ever thing that you can ever do. Come from Makesha, coming from an overnight adoration, I've felt like I've been born again, like my soul has been born again. That by the end of my week, I feel doing good for my God, who has been faithful for me throughout the week, throughout every moment, every minute, every single second that I have lived. Imagine God is forever faithful and there is nothing that he can't do for you. There is nothing that he cannot be able to do. I want you to listen to these few words in this song. It's a Kikuyu one. Yugaga atiriri. Njoro ndani yaku igue gicoka thutha waragithia ihiga rikoima mai andu aku makanyua. We niwe Ngai uria turenda, iga inene ria kuonire rikio, iria inene ria kuonire rikiura. Njoro ndani yaku igue gicoka thutha waragithia ihiga rikoima mai andu aku makanyua. We niwe Ngai uria turenda. Can you imagine? God was able to stop the Red Sea, the Jordan River, for the Israelites to pass. Then through Moses, the stone ikatoka maji na watoto wake wakakunywa. Gutire kindu kiri hinya ta ihiga kuruta mai. Ihiga kuma mai, it's a miracle that you cannot even think about. But God used a stone, yume mai. Kogo ni kuga atiriri, even the stone that is ahead of you, the stone that is not shedding water for you to drink in your life, God can make that stone to bring water to you na ukunywe. Mungu anaweza sema hii mto itasimama upite. Kuna mito mingi iko mbele yako. Kuna mito ya so many other things that are standing before your life, that are standing before your destiny, and God is there. God can speak to the rivers, to the stones that are ahead of you, to leave the way that you may pass. That I declare today, my brothers and sisters, that whatever is standing before you will get away. God will make a way before your hardships and your past. My dear friends, God is faithful and He will always be faithful. Ours is only to talk to Him. Ours is only to go and look for Him and to be faithful also. And to be faithful even when we are praying, knowing that He's a faithful God, knowing that He's a God who is doing everything for us. My brothers and sisters, my life is a witness. My life is a witness that God is faithful and He is always faithful. Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana, Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana, Bwana utuhurumie, Kristo utuhurumie, Kristo, Kristo utuhurumie, Bwana utuhurumie, Bwana, Bwana utuhurumie. May you have the best day ever. May the Lord make you today know that He is God and He is faithful. Goodbye and have a blessed Sunday.